Hello, my name is Alex Wilson. I am an aspiring director, cinematographer, a YouTuber, and also currently a film tech at MediaTech Institute. Well, as a student at MediaTech, I actually enjoyed a lot of stuff I did here. Thankfully, plenty of the instructors and even fellow students here were willing to teach me stuff I didn't know. And even so, I did fairly well in my classes as well. I got salutatorian when I graduated, and I got pretty decent grades in all my classes, and I did really good video work for all my assignments as well, and I even still have those videos now, and I show them off on my demo reel. I would say what makes MediaTech stand out from other film schools is the fact that they actually give you professional equipment to work with, because there are plenty of film schools out there that'll kind of just be like, okay, here's your assignment, now go out there and do it. But wait, we don't have any equipment. Well, too bad, just go and use your phone. But you're not gonna get that from MediaTech. Here at MediaTech, they'll give you something as expensive as a $10,000 broadcast camera, and you can just go out there and film with it. Now, of course, you're still responsible for it, but the fact that you can even use one in the first place to make your videos, to be as professional as possible, that's something that not a lot of other schools have.